My name is Brooke, and our StowAway Retractable Screen Doors are an upgrade alternative to traditional sliding or swinging screen doors. They are all made in the United States and come with a lifetime warranty on all the parts. Our retractable screen doors can be installed on any in-swing or out-swing double door, single door, arch door, Dutch door, sliding glass door, or window.
The retractable screen door consists of a housing unit, pull bar, rails, molding, sill adapter, and handles. When not in use, the entire system retracts back into its protective housing unit. A spring is installed in every retractable screen door, which allows the door to retract when it's released from its catch device. The rate at which the screen retracts back into its housing unit is controlled with either fast close or slow close hydraulic speed reducer.
One side of the screen mesh is attached to a roller tube mounted within the housing component. This roller tube spins internally with the help of the spring and close device mounted inside the roller tube at opposite ends. The other end of the screen mesh is attached to the pull bar with a seamless V-clip design. This pull bar has nylon end caps that wrap around the top and bottom tracks for a smooth and jump-proof operation. Tracks allow the pull bar to slide freely back and forth within the opening. The screen mesh, unlike a traditional screen, is not attached at the top and bottom of the opening in order for it to be able to retract. Screen mesh on the retractable screen system is fabricated to sit within the top and bottom tracks to ensure superior protection.
StowAway retractable screen doors come standard with a stiffened black or gray fiberglass mesh. Additional screen mesh options include solar no-seam mesh, solar medium mesh, solar maximum mesh, and polyester pet mesh. Sill adapters aesthetically complete a retractable screen door installation and help prevent potential damage to the bottom track. The sill adapter provides a seamless blending of the new screen to your existing threshold and frame. In many cases, the sill adapter is a necessary component for proper screen operation and support. Our StowAway retractable screen doors come standard with a sill adapter. StowAway retractable screen doors are custom built to fit any opening and can accommodate heights up to 108 inches tall. A single door retractable screen can accommodate widths up to 6 feet wide, while a double door retractable screen can accommodate widths up to 12 feet. StowAway retractable screen doors are available in 19 colors. The breakdown consists of 12 powder-coated colors, 1 raw aluminum, 3 anodized colors, and 3 wood veneer finishes, and also an array of custom colors.
Our retractable screens offer more choices than any other brand available within the industry today. In addition, our retractable screen door is the only one on the market that comes standard with a die-cast aluminum handle for easy use.
Call us today to schedule your measure and installation of your brand new retractable screen door.